How to change subtitle size in Plex. Welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Are you watching movies or shows on Plex and want subtitles that are easier to read? If yes, then follow the steps till the end. First of all, launch open the Plex application on your device and log in. Once you're logged into the home page of Plex, go to the top right corner and tap on your profile icon. From the expanded menu, click Settings. After you're inside the Settings menu, click on Subtitles. Under Subtitle, you will see Subtitle Color, Size, Background, and Override Embedded Subtitle Styles option. To change your subtitle size, tap the Subtitle Size option, and on the next page, select from the available sizes that are tiny, small, normal, large, and huge. Select one of your preference, whether you'd like your subtitles to be huge or small. After making a selection, you can get back and start playing a movie or TV show and view your subtitles, and you'll be able to see the difference. So that is how you can easily change your subtitle size in Plex application, making it easier to follow dialogue and enjoy your shows and movies. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.